Hello, I have a new piece to show the collectors who requested I make a lockable cabinet for graded card storage. Allow me to share its features. It has adjustable shelves, so you can put binders in it too. The door opens fully, plus the hinges and lock take up a minimal amount of interior space. This one is made of white oak and walnut and is finished with 2-part clear polyurethane. I used the strongest knockdown hardware available so it can be shipped affordably. Well, it's time to put away my Brett rookie. Yeah, well, feel free to tell me what you think about it, and thanks for watching.